Hi folks.
This is Aaron.
This is Emily.
And we're Stamp Trampers. And this time we're in Cornwall. First stop, St Michael's Mount. It's really important actually what's happening in Cornwall. It's going to be the most important thing that happens today. Ice cream. Soups please, one shipwreck and one missing out on my plate. Is it worth the wait?
I haven't tried it yet. Is it?
They burn off all the calories of that half an ice cream.
What, half an ice cream? Why didn't you have a full ice cream?
Seagulls love repacking the ice creams.
Oh, robbed, weren't you?
30 minutes for that.
Robbed. Again. Again.
Where's the monkey?
At least you got to taste it. At least you got half. I didn't. I got one bite. Can you believe people were living here 3,000 years ago? Not in the castle. The castle was built about 1,500 years ago.
What other fun facts have we got?
Oh, you want some facts?
Oh, some facts.
Well.
One plus one is two. The sky is actually blue. Reading is essential. These facts are exponential. Check it out.
St Michael's Mount actually stole its name from Mont St Michael in Normandy.
From where?
Mont St Michael.
Oh.
Michelle, sorry. Hold on, I got this. Monsieur Michel. Does that sound French?
With a hint of Yorkshire.
You said you want more Yorkshire in the vlog.
Well, yeah, there we go.
It was all a bit of a coy just to get more pilgrims here, spend some money, donate to the church. We've seen the church.
I thought churches are supposed to be PG.
Take that, Satan. Was it a demon?
Same thing?
No, not the same thing, no.
Why? What's the difference?
One's Satan,
yeah,
king of the underworld.
Oh, so
and
one's a king. So does he look like a king or does he look like a peasant demon?
No, that's an angel killing her.
This guy.
Yeah, that's a demon. Not a peasant.
No, peasant demon.
What a peasant demon? What's one of them?
The lowest of the low.
Oh, right.
Demon, like.
No, he looks like he's got some class about him, or had some class about him.
Yeah. Do you think
Till
he's
the
bad?
archangel took him down.
Beautiful.
This doesn't always covered by sea. It used to be a forest that surrounded it. They reckon, no, honestly, the sea wasn't always there. 3,000 years ago, it was a forest that went all the way around. And they reckon when the tide goes out, you can still see the stumps of the trees that used to be there 3,000 years ago. Genuine story.
I'm going to research that.
Research it.
I'm gonna.
I don't lie. These are facts. Great choice of footwear, Aaron. As always. Can you remember when we were eating ice cream around here?
I'm trying to forget.
Trauma.
Trauma.
Yeah. Shall we go and find Daisy T?
Yeah, why not? Let's go.
Take her back.
Yeah. Go for a little ride. See you on the other side. Here she is. This is Daisy T, guys. Sometimes it's a bit of a struggle getting around in a massive long wheelbase Sprinter van, so another mode of transport was required.
We just played a bit of Quirkle. We haven't ever played it. It's a barrel of laughs, isn't it, Em?
So much fun.
This is Em's proud loser face.
I've not won one game ever.
I'd show him the scorecard, but it's on my phone, which I'm using to video.
Alright, we can turn the camera off now.
Why? You look very pretty when you're losing.
Fuck off.
Moments later.
Guess who won? Emma won. What is it now? Is that 4-1?
Yeah, I think so.
Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
Alright, you won again.
It's 5-0.
I swear you cheat.
5-0.
You cheat.
Woo! Put this on your red, Em. What a cute little day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was your favourite bit about today?
Getting Daisy T out and getting to ride her over to St Michael's Mount. It's a bit ropey at times, wasn't it?
Just a touch.
A little bit, yeah.
I thought we were going to get a bit of a flat tyre at one bit. Let us know what you think to Daisy T. And I think that's about it for tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do a bit of paddleboarding tomorrow, hopefully, if the weather's good.
Fingers crossed.
See you then. Morning. Yeah. Morning.
Morning.
Again.
My grunt was 1, so yeah, again. How's the weather?
The weather's beautiful. It's definitely paddleboarding weather.
No waves.
I can't see the waves.
No wind.
No wind. Well, it doesn't seem windy.
Hopefully that means no waves.
We're not close enough to the beach to see, but there's some signs over there that tells you to be really careful on the way down. Don't carry anything too heavy.
So you're going to carry the paddleboard then?
Like a paddleboard, maybe.
I will carry the camera.
And the pack lunch.
And the food.
And the food.
I'll be in charge of the food. There might not be any left by the time we get to the bottom. But that's okay. And on that note, are you making my breakfast?
I'll make some coffee though.
To the beach.
Em leading the way as always.
Look at us there.
You're excited? You're excited for some paddleboarding?
Yeah. Hope it's a nice quiet beach.
Hope it's not got a puncture.
Hope it's not got a puncture in it. A nice quiet beach. So
Oh, there's not many other people around, is there?
Falling. No.
You falling? I'm going to be a pro.
Of course you are.
Instant pro.
Yeah.
You know I am. That's it. Are your trainers holding up?
Not actually.
No?
No, I can't see.
Hold on the racket.
My bird lives here.
In front. The varying flow.
Yeah, the racket's bird flu.
Come on, Doris. Yeah, Doris the Explorer, yeah. with a bingo pack. Trusty steed. Yeah. She's like, why is everyone else so slow? I'm gonna try and get down there somehow. We already abandoned 2 routes down. Em didn't tell me that I needed better footwear. She let me wear these.
Lies.
Not lies. She's a liar. Where are you going, Em? Let's see. She knows. Porthcurno Beach and Village. What are the signs now?
Caution, where your head is dangerous.
Yes. That's what we want, isn't it? Thrill seeking. Look at it go. That's, ooh, you grab that rock.
Just the last little scramble to the beach. Dramatic, as ever. Oh, dog's coming for your help. You're not giving these people any kind of confidence of coming down with the child on the back.
Sticks everywhere. Little one here, little one there. We found a nudist beach by accident.
Almost. Hey.
Trying to get it big and hard on the nudist beach.
Just see William balls.
What are you on about? I'm on about the paddleboard. Yeah. So pumped.
So pumped.
Yeah.
We'll get everything, babe, for our trip. How's your first paddleboard experience going?
That's a candle hanging out my nose.
It's on your chin.
Oh, I'm going to be a pro. Instant pro. You know I am.
I feel like Moana trying to get across the reef. Oh God, might look like we're somewhere comfortable, but we're definitely still in England.
Just gonna boss it. Nice. Ocean. I'm really hungry. Could you please pad this out for a bit longer? Yeah. Whee! Oh, what? Tough. Yeah? Gonna borrow my climbing flops. That's hero stuff. No, because I've got to film.
You haven't got
have. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Yes. Champions. Yeah. Lunchtime. I think this is the favourite part of my day.
I thought you were taking a picture.
Smile. Smile, man.
You're videoing me. Who's going to take a nice little picture of me?
I'm videoing
Just
you.
in the corner.